Hey guys, today I'm going to make some no-sew hot glue gun pillows for Christmas, like these guys here. Perfect for somebody like me who doesn't sew. You're going to need some polyfill, got this at Walmart, to fill up your pillows, glue gun, and scissors, sharp scissors, and these are the adorable fabrics that I'm going to be using for my pillows. And of course some black and white buffalo check that I already made for Halloween. So we're gonna get started. I'm gonna show you how I go about doing this. All right. So take your fabric of choice. I'm gonna make more in this pattern. Cut it to the size that you like. I've made rectangular, I've made square, they all look good. Everything looks great. You're going to fold it almost entirely in half. Leave a little space here because you're going to be folding that over. And fold it with the side that you want showing in. So I've already glued this together, but you're going to just fold the sides back, glue down the seam, stick it together, do the other side, bada bing, bada boom, and then you're going to put it to the side until it dries. Once you've done that, you're going to fold it right side out, which I already did with this one, and you're going to fold the corners over. So fold it the right way. And then you're going to glue your corners down like this. So it'll have a finished look when you put it all together. Once you've glued it down, you're gonna fill that pillow up with your fiber. Stuff it in there to your preference, however full you want it to be. These bags are not very expensive. This 16 ounce, my bad. I got a 50 ounce bag at Walmart for $9, a little under $9. These are 16 ounces. My sweet hubby picked up the fill for me at Walmart and didn't realize he got the wrong size, and I didn't care because it was nice that he went and got it for me. But it's all cheap. It's just cheaper if you buy it in the 50 ounce bag. All right, so squish it down. Try to get it not lumpy. In my situation, it's gonna go on that cute bench my husband made me that I had in my Halloween tour video. And I put like 90 million pillows on there and they're all squished together, so you can't really tell if they're not perfect, which is really great because when you do no-sew hot glue pillows like this, they really aren't perfect at all. But that's okay because I don't sew, so this works for me. And when they're all squished on the bench, they look amazing. All right, so just kind of get the lumpies out as much as possible. And then you're gonna take your end here and you're gonna fold it over and glue. So easy to make these. The first few Halloween pillows that I ever made didn't turn out that great, but like I just said, they're all squished together on the bench. You can't really tell that they're not perfect when they're all squished together. So it doesn't really matter, at least for me in my situation. Just want to wait until that's a little bit dry, hardened so it doesn't peel apart. Squish it together. Still feels hot. Boom! There it is. See how easy that was? The hardest part is really trying to figure out what fabric you want. Ta-da! All right, so that's how you make a no-sew pillow. Hope you enjoyed this video.